the green part doesn't exist further because after the Second World War, the last use of this tunnel system during the war, people forgot somehow this system because it was not necessary further. But one day in '66, it was remembered because there were two parts. There were problems and there were some accidents with the tunnel system, and it was fulfilled with concrete for this reason. So the green parts does not exist further. And there was a bridge, wooden bridge, to permit people to go to find this entrance and to go when there were air attacks or alarm air attacks into the tunnel system. The old tunnel system finishes here. This is new, has been constructed in '43, just during at the end of the war. But we shall not go downstairs, it's too long, it's 100 steps. But just we shall look down. Okay.
A quick question, where are we exactly?
We are exactly here.
Okay.
We are here. So you see, it's not very easy to find back. Another question, do you think it is dangerous here, this crack? It seems to be dangerous. How do you call that? We call it in German ein Gipsspion. And a spy, it is a spy, because he surveys if there's any movement. Huh? And you see, there's no crack, nothing, there's no problem. We are living in a region which is very, we don't know earthquakes here in Franconia. So there's no problem, but anyhow, such cracks may, during hundreds of thousands of years, may evolve, so we have to survey it, nevertheless. The last settlement died in 1937, and anyhow the sand was not further needed from 1925. They put electricity and also direction. So we have the first of two. We have two little tunnels for introducing the ice. I tell you that we need ice to cool the beer from 8 degrees we have here to 4 degrees we need with the barrels. First there was put the ice here in the middle. Then the barrels were put on the ice, and on the barrels some more ice were put. It was sufficient to cool it down to 4 degrees. We have 8 degrees here, and we need, we need 4 degrees. You know that this type of refrigerators has been used after the war. There were, even in France or in England or in Germany, many little villages which had no electricity in the 50s. Even at the beginning of the 60s, there was no electricity. But the machines doesn't further exist, and these machines we have here are not from the Second World War. You see the color is green. Machines have been during the war, before the war, have been grey. The color of the machines has been grey. Okay, who worked there? German men have been in the war, in the fields, of the battlefields, so German women and prisoners. No kids, no, but the prisoners, of course.